5 kilometers from Veliko Tarnovo there is Monastery of St. Nicholas Wonderworker. It was founded in the 13th century, and to regret in 1393 it was destroyed together with the capture of Tarnovo by the Turks. And only in 1680 the monastery was restored. During the Russian-Turkish War in 1877-1878, Russian military units were stationed in the village of Arbanassi, and the nuns of Monastery of St. Nicholas assisted them. In 1913, the monastery was destroyed as a result of very strong earthquake. Now its monastery functioned like women monastery or nunnery monastery, but together with us there was a group from Romania, and they tried to call some person, and only one woman came out, and as I understood there is only one now works. I don't know how, but we have what we have, so this monastery.